Welcome, everyone! In this tutorial, we will use the Modbus library to configure the PLC as a Modbus RTU master. This program realizes serial port configuration, Modbus coil and register read-write functions, and adopts state machine polling to ensure stable communication. Let's start our explanation. First, confirm that the Modbus library has been added to the project. We mainly use the client serial function block for RTU master communication. It encapsulates all underlying serial communication and Modbus frame processing, so we don't need to write low-level code manually. Now let's look at the variable definitions. FBRTU is the instance of the RTU serial driver. We also define function blocks for reading and writing holding registers, reading and writing coils. Together with data buffers for data storage, the state machine variable is used to control the communication sequence and prevent conflicts during polling. Here is the serial port configuration part. We set the communication port to port 2, baud rate to 115,200, 8 data bits, no parity check, and 1 stop bit. The communication mode is set to Modbus RTU. Please note that all serial parameters must be exactly the same as the Modbus slave device. Otherwise, communication will fail. Next is the read and write of holding registers. The read function block reads 10 holding registers starting from address 0 from slaved station 1. The write function block writes 10 register values from starting address 10. All read-write requests are bound to the RTU serial driver created earlier. Then we configure coil communication. Thread coil reads the status of a single coil at address 0. FRTCL is used to set the coil status to on. Coils are usually applied to switch signal control in industrial sites. This is the core part, state machine polling logic. Modbus RTU is half-duplex communication, so only one command can be executed at one time. The program cycles in sequence. Idling state gives read holding registers, gives write holding registers, gives read coils, gives write coils. It switches to the next state only when the current action is completed or an error occurs. If the serial connection is disconnected, the state machine will reset to idle state automatically. Now we compile the project and download it to the PLC. After going online, if X connected becomes true, it means the serial connection is established successfully. We can observe the cyclic switching of the state machine and check the read and write data in real time. You can use Modbus slave tools to verify the communication effect. The above is the simple series PLC using the Modbus library to realize the configuration operation of the PLC as the Modbus to master station. Thanks for watching.